What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another Makeup Artist Monday. It's artistry like bam. All right, guys, thanks so much for tuning back in here. If you're new here, my name is Brandon and I'm a professional makeup artist in Chicago. So thank you for joining me and welcome back. So this week we're going to be talking about the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrushed Flawless Lip Colors. I got a chance to pick up a few colors and I think there is 8 total. I got 4 of them. I really love them and I just couldn't wait to share them with you guys. So that's what we're going to do today. So stay tuned. So if you're not familiar with the Airbrush Flawless Lip Colors from Charlotte Tilbury, they look just like this. This is a new lip color on the market. These are really different than other traditional like liquid lipsticks that I've been seeing out there. These have a 12-hour finish. They're super comfortable. They wear very well on the lips. They're very hydrating and they give you like a soft focus blurred effect on the lips. So if you don't have the most beautiful, smooth, hydrated lips, these look really great on almost everybody because they create a very like soft focused, blurred kind of effect on the lip. And they have these really cool diamond applicators. So I don't get to use the applicator very often because I use these in my kit, so I use a brush and things like that, disposables, but the applicator is very unique. You can see that diamond tip style right there. Really cool. This creates a really unique shape so that you can really define the lip, the cupid's bow, or like right on the corners. So this is a really cool applicator and I really like it. I wish I got to use it more, but this is one of the colors in a honey blur. This is like a rosy, well no, this is more of a traditional like terracotta peachy nude. I really love this one because it's honey colored like it said, and I'm going to swatch it right here for you guys so you can see what it looks like. So these are pretty much one swipe mattes. They are like a semi-matte, like I said. They're very comfortable, really beautiful, and this is called Honey Blur. I picked up a few colors, so I'm going to show you guys those colors today. These are the 4 that I picked up. So I got Honey Blur, we got Pillow Talk Blur, which is like their most famous, we got Pillow Talk Medium Blur, I believe, and Rose Blur. So yeah, so these are the 4 colors that we got. So this is Honey Blur right here. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one right here. This one is called Pillow Talk Blur. These are just the 4 that I got. My favorite one was this orange color called Flame, but I didn't buy that one. I don't know why I didn't get it. I'm now kicking myself and I might actually go back and get it, but you can see this one is right here. This is called Pillow Talk Blur. And then there is a Pillow Talk Medium Blur as well. So this one is just a little bit different. This one has more of like those soft pink effects to it, a little bit more rosy tones. This one has a little bit more brown to it. So this is the Pillow Talk Medium Blur. So I'll go ahead and show you. See how beautiful. And that has a little bit more of that brown undertone to it. So this will look great on like lighter to medium skin tones. This will look great on more light, medium tan skin tones. Really beautiful. And these wear, like I said, really well. 12-hour wear, super cushiony. This one is called Rose Blur. Really gorgeous. This one is so pretty. I'm going to show you right here. You guys know I'm not the best at swatching, but there you go. So the 4 colors, they smell kind of like a traditional like vanilla lipstick. They're not super offensive, nothing crazy. So this is Honey Blur, Pillow Talk Blur, Medium Pillow Talk Blur, and then Rose Blur, just like that. So I'm actually gonna put on the regular one right here for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like. I have my trusty lip brush right here, and that one is the regular one, I believe, the traditional Pillow Talk Blur. Yeah, these are super beautiful. They wear really well, like I said. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on the brush just like this. Grab my trusty mirror and then I'll apply it with you guys. Alright guys, I grabbed my mirror and we're gonna try this lip color on together. You can see that I applied a little bit on the back of the brush right here. I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it. Like I said, these are very creamy. And they have that soft focus blurred effect, and you'll see once I put it on how like smooth my lips look. Alright, so you can see as I press it together, see how it makes my lips look so smooth? And like very hydrated and creamy, but not sticky. Nothing's chunky. Everything looks really smooth and kind of blurred. Yeah. I really like this formula. This wears really, really great for weddings or if you have an event to go to because you can put this on. You don't really need to touch up too much. It is not transfer proof. I did notice that it does come off just a little bit, but once it sets, it's very, very comfortable, very hydrating. Like I said, the diamond applicator is really, really nice because you do get that really nice defined shape. I'm just using it with the brush, but it's so beautiful. Look, super hydrating, really plump, really blurring. I'm gonna go ahead and try another color on for you guys, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so the next color that I'm gonna try on for you guys is that really beautiful pink. This is the Rose Blur. I love this color. It is like a true deep ballerina pink. It is got those like creamy undertones, and so we're gonna try this together. This one is a little bit more fuller pigment than I noticed than the other one, yet this one has a little bit more punch. So you don't need a lip liner with this, and this is not a nude lip. This is more liquid lipstick friendly. So we're gonna go in with a little bit of this. I'm gonna get a little bit closer so you guys can see. Nothing on my lips right now, and I'm gonna go in and apply this so it's really smooth. You can see already it looks very creamy. Very hydrated, right? You see how easy that was to put on? Really, really comfortable. Look how smooth my lips look. Right? Blurred, airbrushed. Very, very flawless. I absolutely love these lip colors. Like I said, I had to pick them up in 4 different colors. No, this is not sponsored. No, they did not send these to me. I bought these with my own hard-earned money. I really like this formula. The other colors that they carry are like a brighter orange, like a red, some other nudes that I saw that were really beautiful, but these are the 4 that I picked up. I might go back and get some other colors, but I think this is so beautiful. They wear really, really well. Like I said, they're super comfortable, very hydrated, not sticky, very creamy, and they look really smooth on the lip, which I love. So I think you guys would really like these. These are the airbrushed flawless blurred lip colors from Charlotte Tilbury. Go pick these up at your Nordstrom or Sephora. This is a great liquid lipstick formula. They're $35, I believe, so they're a little bit pricey. They're more in the luxury category, but if you want to treat yourself or if this is your wedding day lip color, I think that this would be a great option because they have tons of neutrals and they have nude colors that would suit a lot of different skin tones. So thank you guys so much for watching this Makeup Artist Monday video. I had so much fun filming this video for you guys. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up and like this video, and please subscribe right here. And until next Makeup Artist Monday, guys, I can't wait to see you next week. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great week and stay safe, everyone. All right, bye.